Hello guys, I got a viewer commenting on the SMP Press videos that I've done in the past, asking if digital print publishing and SMP Press, what are the two programs and are they related to each other? Is digital print publishing used with any other company other than Sheet Music Plus? So I'm here to answer those questions in this video. So SMP Press was the name that this Sheet Music Plus publishing arm changed its name to a few years ago after I did the first walkthrough video of the Sheet Music Plus and how to publish your music on there. That video is quite a few years old, and so now SMP Press has changed their name to the SMP Press from digital print publishing. And also digital print publishing is exclusive to Sheet Music Plus, and that means since they changed their name to SMP Press, that also means that SMP Press is exclusive to Sheet Music Plus. The Sheet Music Plus account and your SMP Press account are one and the same. Basically, the SMP Press account is your publishing account with Sheet Music Plus, and Sheet Music Plus is just the parent company that you're going through to publish your music. So that's the only difference between those two things. It was just a merger, it was just a name change. And I'll be doing more videos on this in the future. If you guys have any more questions, please feel free to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.